All right, this one when don't come as so now. Waiting, I won't really ask. Some people don't they confused already, and the truth be say the only thing when make us to be Okwani people, when make us to be Anoma people now because say we be Igbo. Why I tell you like that? Today now we don't see them. Say Ezhionum people, Ezhionum kingdom, don't go align with Asaba. Say na there they come from. As in say Ezhionum na from Asaba. Ezhionum na from Asaba. Meanwhile today Ezhionum people they answer say they be Okwani people. Now get this thing clear. If some of una claim say Asaba no be Igbo, say Asaba na Igala. How come Ezhionum people when claim say they be Asaba people, come they answer Okwani people? How? Then which means Ezhionum people na Igala people. And how come na Igbo language, Igbo names, everything when they speak na Igbo? That's why they tell una. And Yoma people, all of us now one, and will be one Igbo people. Ezhionum don't go and line with Asaba. After many years, they don't come back to tell them nothing. They don't trace their ancestry, go reach Asaba. It not stop for there. Ask them, say where they come from for that inside Asaba. Say, who be their papa for Asaba there? You see why they tell you now? Say the only thing when connect all of us together now that Igbo-ness. We are all Igbos. Unless how can somebody from Ezhionum, in local government, now trace his ancestry to Asaba, that is in Anyocho federal constituency. When I see what they tell us. So does it mean Ezhionum has been denying, or can we say now that Ezhionum people are no longer Okwani people? And you bufu. Also, Sobia bufu. That is just the truth. Or sonuna subia, you that call leg asoko, you call hand eka, you call heart obi, you call head isi, you call ayenya, you call matono. My friend, you are all Igbo people. Sign chabundi. Like it or not, we are all Igbo.